My dear fellow students and respected teachers, today I stand before you with deep sense of gratitude as announcing my candidacy for the position of Vice Captain of Emerald House. My name is Roopasri and I am here to represent hopes, dreams and aspirations of every student in this great institution. As a student who was part of this institution since kindergarten, I have witnessed the transformative power of our school community. Leadership only exists when people follow, when they have the freedom to not to follow. Otherwise, it's just power, and power is not leadership. Today, I ensure two initiatives. One, I would allot one student from every class, every section as green monitor who would be allotted with a special badge with their name inscribed on it. This monitor is no less than a cop in power whose responsibility is to keep the campus and the classrooms clean and plastic free. I would inspect their work and allot their marks equally, and at the end of the 30th day, the highest score would be rewarded. A surprise is waiting for you if you all Emeraldians would vote for me. I search a cleanliness drive with every zero period with all Emeraldians from 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. One class every week. One class every week. And this is about we would go to the every corner of our campus and clean with all due respect. So my dear Emeraldians, vote me. Let us bring the change which we couldn't have done last year. Let us surge on everything which we have to do. Watch me. People would call us the powerhouse of pops. Let us lead Emerald into new heights. Let us build that. Emerald House is known for its spirit and unity, which motivates me to contest as your vice captain. So remember, this vote is not just a mark on a ballot. It is a statement of faith which we will build together in the future. So I humbly request you all to stand and support with me, and please vote for me, which will lead us to the heights. And thank you so much, and remember, this vote is very crucial. Our home, green home, Emerald. Thank you. And the name is Roopasri. Boys and girls, let's rewrite the records. Go Emerald, go green. Thank you.